Welcome to TJ Southern Construction. Today we're at this location, my location, working on the air condition. The problem was the inside pipes had froze along with the outside pipes up to the house. So therefore, first thing we do is troubleshoot from the inside out. Check the lines, check the filters, make sure there's no
All right, y'all. It froze back over
restrictions
last night.
for
I
the
gotta clean
filters to
that
flow
part of the
through in
coil,
the house.
or the fins, but I
And
haven't from
sometimes
the coil.
records have two
This
vents,
side
so
to
you
the
have to
place.
look up
Can you see
underneath,
through it?
check
You might be
if
wrong.
they have two vents
And see if
behind
that's
or
it, but
not.
even if it's not,
I made sure
it needs to be
everything
done.
was firing, everything was coming on inside, but the problem we noticed is no air was coming out the vent, so therefore we know we have either electrical issue or a ventilation issue. Now, there's several things I tried before I took my gauges out. Then I was like, let me take my gauges out to see
Oh,
what we are.
no pressure on that.
So once I checked the standing pressure, which is the
That
pressure
is weird.
before
Nothing coming out yet.
you cut the air conditioner on and the
That's weird.
refrigerant is moving through its cycle.
Hi, you are currently being recorded. We're gonna place them. Put this back in. Right.
Once I hooked the high side and low side up, I was able to cut it on, look at the gauges.
That really good. Alright, I gotta go in the house and get my other equipment. Got everything in one place. That helps me doing the job to have everything in one place. Because that's time. But I hate that because I was checking the temperature in the house. I don't even know if it's free because the unit is purchased in 1998. So, the unit's purchased in 1998. For one that's in there, it is not for today. It's like R22. Gotta look at it again. But let's see if they even have any of that. I'm trying to keep from doing a service call and getting somebody else to come out to do what I can do to a certain point. We're gonna see. It's standing pressure. Just went off for a minute. So that's right. It should be even.